everybody, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it's time for an unboxing. So I wanted to tell you a little bit of story behind this. This unboxing is from a company that is fairly new, and I'm sure as I'm talking you'll know who it is. It is from Dreamer Designs. And I heard about them from a couple people in our family, our diamond painting community, and I reached out to them and I asked, hey, I'd love to be an ambassador. This was right before they launched. They said, I'm sorry, we have all the ambassadors that we need, but check back when you're ready. I said, not a problem. There were a couple designs that I absolutely loved. I was planning on purchasing from them anyway. So I waited till their launch. Well, the week that they launched was the week that we received the medical bills for the 2 times that my husband stayed in the hospital. So we were unable to purchase any diamond paintings at that time. I went about a month without ordering any diamond paintings. And when I did, it had to be the like $5 to $8 diamond paintings. And from what I noticed, Dreamer Designs is a US-based organization, and they are trying to put quality into their product, and so their pricing is a little higher than what my budget at that time allowed me. So, fast forward a couple months, I've been going to their lives, I've been supporting them, through encouragement, and I reached out and they said they were looking for more ambassadors, and so here I am. I received a package from them. All I did was cut open the box. They asked for 2 or 3 designs I liked. I sent them the 2 or 3 I wanted. I have no idea what they sent me. So I did create 3 different review sheets over here on the right, so I was prepared for whatever they sent me. So it comes in this box and protected, and then it comes in its own box. So I'm sure many of you have seen unboxings of Dreamer Designs and many have not, depending on how new you are. But it says Premium Diamond Canvas Kit. This is their website, www.dreamerdesigns.com. Go check them out. Right now I think they have 4 different artists. Why diamond paint? Now what I really like about Dreamer Designs is, as a therapist myself, they really focus on how therapeutic diamond painting can be. And so it reduces stress and anxiety, improves your focus, helps your fine motor skills, increases your social circle, and helps to spark creativity. And then on the back, they have the 6 steps of how it works. Peel back protective film, find grid sign on canvas, find same grid sign on the table, and then find corresponding color code, pick up using stylus pen, and place on adhesive canvas. And then it says what it includes. I love that it's E for everybody. So you're gonna get a color printed canvas that's 100% polyester, pre-sorted diamond pieces, 2 stylus pens with multiple head options, white diamond tray, 2 wax caddies, black diamond tweezers, extra Ziploc baggies, an instruction guide in 12 different languages, and then it says what the languages are. And then it says features, full drill diamond fill, entire canvas, square diamonds only, 5D guaranteed sparkle, 100% premium polyester, and legally licensed images. And that's what's great about Dreamer Designs, is they pay their artists. Now, one thing I did reach out to them before I agreed to be an ambassador is I said, are you looking for more artists? I just really would love to see them expand who they're using. Also, another great feature is this actually has a handle on it, which is lovely. When you open the top, it's, oops, all right there in a bag. I did go online and watch their bagging up video. It's kind of always interests me how our kits are put together, so it's nice that they have that. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, I almost forgot. On the box. Ah! So on the box, they show you what you get, and I got my favorite, When September Ends. So this is a 50 by 40, which is a 19.7 inch by 15.7 inch. It's my favorite size. That's one thing about Dreamer Designs. They offer two sizes. They do a 30 by 40 and a 40 by 50, which is nice because you can easily get those framed or find frames for them or canvases or fit them in your portfolio. It's pretty flexible. Okay, so the three things you get is you get your canvas on a foam roller. Beautiful. It says When September Ends, so you get your diamonds. And then you get your toolkit. Now the one thing in seeing unboxings and I was a little confused on is they advocate to do this together, and so to do that they send you two single placer pens, and they send you I think this is a 3-placer and this might be a 6-placer. I'll have to double check. Forgive me, I'm really bad at multi-placers. And they send you these little sorry, I don't want to damage these little squishies that fit right on there. However, they only send you one tray, and I was a little confused about that because if you're working together you would want two trays because maybe you're doing two different colors, or even if you're doing the same color. There we go. You know, so they give you two pens and they give you two of these little wax caddies. So that's kind of cool. You've got to undo the clear wax cover, of course, and it has the Dreamer Design logo. I've never had a wax caddy, so I'm super excited. They also send you really nice tweezers. It would be nice, excuse me, the next time around if you wanted to put your logo on there, Dreamer Designs. And then their tray has their logo. So you get two pens, two different heads, two different wax caddies, and one tray, and then baggies. And from what I've seen before is they give you enough baggies for the enough colors that you have, which is really great because if you're starting up, you want to make sure that you like a craft before you go all out and buy storage solutions or different things like that. Because if you do not like the craft, you do not want to put a ton of money into it. I personally love the craft, so I have a lot of storage, but these little baggies are really nice. Okay, so let's get into the canvas. Now they do have a rubber band. Most of the time I'm not a big rubber band fan, but it was on there extremely loose. You can't even tell. Here is your Dreamer Design instructions. You've got the pictures, English, French, Spanish. I think that's Dutch, Russian. And I'm going to stop there because I'll make a fool of myself. But there's like Arabic and Chinese. All right, so let's see this beautiful canvas. Alright, so the canvas, you can tell, is that polyester. It's got the little divots all the way around to prevent fraying. So if there is fraying, hopefully it stops. And this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27 colors. Now the one thing that would be really nice is if they sent an inventory sheet, but that's okay. What you will notice here is their color code, the DMC numbers are not in order of DMC colors. I want to say they might be in order of how they're packaged on here. But isn't this gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I'm in love. And I love that they have the coating on both the right and the left side and top and bottom. These trees are going to be beautiful. It does have the plastic covering. The glue doesn't go more than maybe half a drill size. The drill field for mine is very clear. You can see that. It's beautiful. I love the, some of these areas have small color block and then confetti, and that's what I love. Even though it's confetti, it's still a lot of different areas around it. What you see here is the wrinkle in the plastic. There's no wrinkle in the glue. And the symbols themselves are very individualistic. Now, it is a little bit difficult on some of these, even though they're clear, to tell what the symbol it's like it's because of the fabric, because the fabric has breathing. Even though it's clearly printed, it's hard for our eyes to correspond to, if that makes any sense. Okay, so let's get into these colors. All right, it looks like they're in batches of 10. They do show you the DMC colors on here, so when you're kitting it up, that's really nice. So you've got that red, the orange, a darker red. It's a green color, some more oranges, obviously because it's September and fall. There's some blues, some yellows. This is a very deep forest green color, and then a normal green. That's 908. And then, let's see, so that's 1 through 10. And then you've got this 814, so it's like a dark, like a pink, I don't know what you would call that, like a maroon, like a pink maroon. You got your 666, 3843, that gorgeous, like dark aqua, bright oranges. You've got yellows, blues. There's 906. There's 310s, but it's nice. There's not a ton of 310s in here. 3607. That was the color I was missing in my last painting, if you watched that video. Then you've got some light pink, some yellow. That's 3865, so white, 827, and then 907. So these colors are gorgeous. All 27 are here. I love that it has the purple strip, so you're not having to read on top of the drills. The drill quality, I'll have to tell you later. It looks like there's no oil. They're all, you know, going around like they should. I don't see any tabs on them, but again, I won't know until I take them out. But yeah. So that is when September ends. So let's go through our 5-star rating system. So canvas quality and feel and glue and symbol. I looked all around the edges. I see potential for fraying because how it cut, it's almost like the machine's blade was getting a little dull. But they did a whole lot to try to prevent it from fraying, so I'm going to give it a full star. Drill quantity, packaging, readable, yep. Shipping time, it was great. It came in, let's see, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. It came in 6 days. Advertising of the product, it's what I wanted. Overall impression, would I buy again? So far, so good, yes. So that's 5 stars right now. Okay, so yeah, so I can't wait to start working on this, show you how it's coming along, do some drill with me's or whip and chats. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and be blessed.